Click on the link below to get price. The GEEKOM GeekBook X16 Pro impresses with its robust design and remarkable performance, packing a range of features that cater to both casual users and professionals alike. Weighing in at just 2.8 lbs, this laptop strikes an excellent balance between portability and functionality, making it an appealing choice for those on the go. One of the standout features of the GeekBook X16 Pro is its stunning 16-inch 2.5K display. The 16:10 aspect ratio provides additional vertical screen space, which is particularly beneficial for multitasking or browsing. Colors are vibrant, and details are sharp, making it a pleasure to work on documents, watch videos, or even edit photos. The display's brightness levels ensure good visibility in various lighting conditions, enhancing its usability in different environments. Performance-wise, the GeekBook X16 Pro does not disappoint. Equipped with a powerful processor and ample RAM, it handles demanding applications smoothly. Whether you're running complex software for graphic design or engaging in video conferencing, the laptop remains responsive with minimal lag. The ample storage options provide enough space for files, applications, and media, ensuring you won't run out of room anytime soon. The battery life is another impressive aspect, allowing for extended use without frequent recharging. This endurance is crucial for users who depend on their devices throughout the day. Furthermore, the keyboard is comfortable and offers good key travel, making typing a pleasant experience, whether for work or leisure. In terms of connectivity, the range of ports available on the GeekBook X16 Pro ensures compatibility with various peripherals, which is a boon for users needing to expand functionality. Overall, the GEEKOM GeekBook X16 Pro stands out as a versatile, high-quality laptop that meets a variety of needs. Its combination of impressive display quality, strong performance, and portability makes it a compelling option for anyone looking for a reliable laptop in today's fast-paced digital world.